Hello student, we'll see calculation of baud rate and SPBRG. What is mean by it? Peak transfers and receive data serially at many different baud rate. First of all, we'll see what is mean by baud rate. The data transfer is serial data in serial communication. It's given in BPS. We know kbps, mbps. What is mean by it? It beats per second. So BPS and baud rate both are different. The both define the speed of your data transfer, but both notations are different. So we generally call BPS, that is beats per seconds, but baud rate is different. Baud rate is related to modem terminology. The baud rate means signal changes per seconds. Baud rate means signal changes per seconds. We'll see one by one. The baud rate in peak 18 is programmable. What is mean by programmable? We can adjust the baud rate according to the standards. We can calculate or we can program baud rate value in our program according to the standard given in peak 18. For the given crystal frequency, the value loaded into the SPBRG decide the baud rate. See, our crystal frequency decide the baud rate. What baud rate we have to take? According to that, we have to calculate the count which is going to store into the SPBRG. SPBRG is register from SFR. It is also 8-bit register which hold the value, which hold the count that decide the baud rate. The desired baud rate, there is a formula. Desired baud rate is equal to crystal frequency divided by 64 into x plus 1. F oscillator means crystal frequency. So x is equal to F oscillator divided by desired baud rate divided by 64 minus 1. That x value is going to store into the SPBRG. SPBRG hold the value. You can upload the value in hex form or in decimal form. If you upload count value hex, you have to denote as a 0 cross the value, hex value, or you can simply upload count in decimal. So these are the standard baud rates. These are the standard baud rates. So as we increase the baud rate, the speed of transmission is also get increased. Some peripheral requires 2400, some peripherals requires 4800, some peripherals the fast processing is there, then they require 1,15,200. So it's all depends upon the crystal frequency, which crystal frequency you are going to choose. But mostly we go with the 9600. If the crystal frequency is 10 MHz, transmits data with the baud rate 9600. The standard baud rate is given. So what will be the value of SPBRG count? So I simply calculated, it comes with a 15.27. Some error is there, some fractional value is there. You just avoid it and round up and give the 15. If you will give more than 15, if it is more than 15, that is 16 or 17, then they will send a garbage value. We have to take a almost approximate value. So it is 15.27, so we have to choose 15.